You drive an RV all day and finally park somewhere nice, lie down to relax, and then you realize the bed is too thin, too stiff, or just plain uncomfortable. And that kind of sleep can ruin even the best road trip. The thing is, most RVs come with pretty basic mattresses. They're made to fit the space, not necessarily to give you great sleep. That's why upgrading your RV mattress can make such a big difference. So in this video, I'm going to walk through 7 of the best RV mattresses for road trips, camping, and full-time living. Here's what actually feels comfortable and worth it when you're out there on the road. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these RV mattresses aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 7 is the Dream Foam Essential. This is the most budget-friendly. It's an all-foam mattress that you can shape to fit almost any sleep space, even tight RV beds or bunk setups. Now, the feel depends on what you pick. It comes in soft medium, medium, medium firm, firm medium, and firm options, so you're not stuck with one choice. But thinner versions feel firmer and more supportive, while thicker ones feel softer and more relaxed. Inside, it has a basic 2-layer build. A dense support foam at the bottom keeps your body stable, while on top, gel memory foam adds light pressure relief without making you sink too deep. It feels firmer and steadier than slow memory foam beds. I also like the cooling side. The open cell foam lets air move through, and the gel swirl foam helps pull heat away so you don't feel stuck in a hot spot at night. Plus, the cover helps protect against small spills, which is nice for travel or RV use. Also, you're going to have 22 size options, including RV-specific ones, so it's easy to match your setup without paying extra. So if you want a flexible mattress that stays affordable and covers different sleep needs, the Dream Foam Essential is hard to overlook. Number 6 is the Aurora Luxe Cooling. This is the best cooling mattress on our list. This mattress feels cool the moment you lie down, and it stays that way through the night. It's built for people who overheat in bed and wake up tossing around. It has a thermophase foam and uses special phase change material that pulls heat away when you're warm and gives it back when you cool down. So your body stays closer to a steady sleep temperature instead of swinging hot and cold. Under the mattress, the quilted comfort foam shapes around your body and takes pressure off your shoulders and hips. Plus, I like that you can pick how it feels. It comes in soft, medium, and firm options. And if you want more comfort, there's a pillow top add-on with Glaciotex cooling cover that feels extra soft and cool to touch. Inside, the zone coils push support where your body needs it, while open foam and coil layers keep air moving so heat doesn't build up. So if you want a cooling mattress that actually helps you stay comfortable all night without overheating, the Aurora Luxe Cooling is the one that makes the most sense. Number 5 is the Bear Original. This is the best for recovery and back support. This mattress mixes soft comfort with solid support, so your body feels lifted instead of sinking too deep. The top layer has gel memory foam, and it slowly shapes around your body. It helps ease pressure on your back, shoulders, and hips, which is big if you wake up stiff after long travel days. Right under that, Bear's dynamic foam adds a bit of bounce, so you don't feel stuck when you move. At the bottom, there's a dense support foam layer that keeps everything steady and helps with spinal alignment. It also has a breathable quilted cover, but you can upgrade to a Celliant-infused cover if you want something that's meant to support recovery and body heat regulation. Plus, it's a medium-firm mattress, so it works best for back and stomach sleepers, and even some combo sleepers. But side sleepers might find it a bit firmer than expected. So if you're looking for a mattress that feels supportive, helps with recovery, and doesn't feel overly soft or weak, this one fits right in. Number 4 is the Utopia Mattress. This is the most lightweight. It feels like a simple hybrid made for people who want decent comfort without spending too much. This mattress has a medium firm feel, so it's not too soft or too hard. I like how it mixes gel memory foam on top with support layers underneath. The foam in this mattress adapts to your body, so your shoulders and hips don't feel like they're digging in too much. It also uses gel beads that help pull heat away, so it stays cooler than basic foam beds. On the inside, you're going to have a coil base that adds bounce and makes it easier to move around. But yeah, that same bounce can make you feel more movement if someone else is sleeping next to you. Now, the edge support is okay when sitting, but not the strongest when lying close to the side. And it's better suited for lighter or average weight sleepers, not heavier ones. So if you're looking for an affordable hybrid mattress that stays cool and feels light and responsive, this one makes sense. And if you want to know the latest prices for the RV mattresses discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Signature Hybrid. This is the most durable. This is a strong hybrid mattress. It mixes cooling comfort, steady support, and long-lasting build quality in one simple design. It has thermophase foam infused with phase change material that absorbs and releases heat to keep your sleep temperature steady. On top, pressure-relieving quilt foam adapts to your body shape and helps reduce pressure points while you sleep. And below that, encased coils add stability, better edge support, and motion control, so you don't feel much movement from a partner. You can choose soft, medium, or firm, depending on how you like your bed to feel at night. If you want more cooling, there's an optional cloud cooling pillow top with Glaciotex cover and extra contouring foam for added comfort. It's also built with high-density foam and premium steel coils, all assembled for better quality control and durability. And shipping is free. It comes rolled in a box right to your door for easy setup. So if you're looking for a mattress that feels cool, supportive, and built to last without overcomplicating things, it's hard to find one like this. Number 2 is the Dream Foam Hybrid. This is the best customizable RV mattress on our list. This mattress feels like a balanced medium bed that mixes soft comfort with steady support, especially for hot sleepers. It has an ultra-soft quilted top that gives a cool touch when you lie down, and the airflow design helps heat move out fast. Inside the mattress, the gel memory foam eases pressure on your shoulders and hips. Plus, it helps cut down motion when you shift at night. Under that, you're going to have a hybrid system with open cell foams and up to 760 encased coils, so airflow stays strong and the base feels stable and supportive. That mix of coils and foam gives it a more durable feel compared to basic all-foam beds. It doesn't feel stuck or heavy when you move around, which makes it easier to get comfortable. Plus, it's made in Phoenix, Arizona, and the design is made to last with a solid base foam under everything. So if you're looking for a hybrid mattress that feels cool, supportive, and easy to live with, this one makes a lot of sense. Number 1 is the Helix Midnight. This is the best overall. Now this one feels like a soft but balanced hybrid made for most people who want comfort without getting stuck in the mattress. It comes in a medium feel, so you get a cozy top layer, but you still stay lifted and supported. This mattress shines for side sleepers because it helps take pressure off your shoulders and hips, which is usually where things start to hurt after a long night. On top, you're going to have a breathable knit cover that helps airflow so you don't overheat. If you sleep hot, there's also an upgrade option with a cooling Glaciotex cover. Under that, the hybrid coil system gives steady support and keeps your body aligned. The reinforced edges are a nice touch too, so you don't feel like you're sliding off when you sit or sleep near the side. It's also hand-built in Arizona, where they make the foams and assemble everything in-house. Most users say they sleep more deeply and wake up less after switching to it. So if you're looking for a mattress that gives you real comfort and support without a high price tag, the Helix Midnight is an easy pick. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect RV mattress. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each RV mattress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.